You have to understand where money is coming from so that you can have access to the money. Alam niyo po sa buhay, yung unang milyon nyo lang ang mahirap. Are you willing to do what it takes to be successful? What you don't see, you don't create. We should believe that we can.
Ito yung start ng pagbabago sa buhay ko.
Mark this date. Today will be your first day in creating your first million. You have to work hard for it. Be mindful of the power is in the palm of your hands. Focus on what you can do with your time. The nicest thing is, it is very easy, it is very simple, you all can do this.
Hello po, ako po si Miss Rochelle Calle. I'm an OFW before, businesswoman. Dumating sa akin ng maraming pera one time. Malaking pera ang hawak ko. All of a sudden, sa buhay ko, bigla na lang nagkaroon ng mga problema. In one shot, I lost 20 million. Parang you don't know where to go. I want to lose my life para matapos na. Last January 2024, nakita ko na lang si Mami Meki sa Facebook. And all of a sudden, nag-iba yung buhay ko. Nag-iba siya. It's like magic.
Yung nagsasabing, wala akong pera. Imposibleng yumaman. Imposibleng magka-1 milyon. Mali lang kayo ng proseso. Everything is easily attainable. Everything is within your reach. It's just a matter of gano'n ka kadesidido na gawin to.
I've been a career woman ever since, but grabe talaga yung tiwala ko sa mga tinuturo ni Mother Meki kasi within less than 4 months, ang dami na nangyaring changes sa life ko.
Napaka-ideal nung magiging characteristic ng isang tao pag nasunod yung mga sinasabi niya, you'll become a better person.
You have to understand what period 9 economy is if you wanted to have your first million. You ask for money so you can distribute it, mas madali ito.
Narito ako kasi gusto ko ma-experience para swertehin sa buhay at maging maayos ang buhay.
If you only wish for money to be for your own good, hindi po ibibigay ni Cosmic yan sa inyo. You wish for money so that you can be a blessing to others, so that you can help.
Nilook forward ko today kung paano ko masusurpass yung period 9. Tulad ng sinasabi ni Mother Meki, paano ako mas magiging wealthy to be a blessing to other people.
I love you, Mami Meki. Kahit di ba tayo nagkikita, I hope mabigay ko sa yung papasalamat sa lahat ng nangyari sa buhay ko. Sinagip mo ako.